Bids are meant to be won. And that means you need quotes that are competitive, personalized, and reliable so you can submit the best bid for every project on your radar. Gerent's Bid Boss Accelerator leverages the power of Salesforce to help you identify high potential opportunities, cultivate key relationships, and develop and track winning bids that translate into closed deals and increased revenue. Enhanced relationship mapping and management provides you with instant insights into how accounts, bids, and business units intersect, so you can develop the right connections with essential parties on new projects. As you submit bids, keep a careful eye on your competitors from a single screen, including win rates, market shares, and more. Then, after your bids are submitted, you can track them all on one screen and get up-to-the-minute alerts when you successfully close a deal. Better bids, better deals, Bid Boss.